So now for videos, you see, video is a bit different from pictures. And that's what I was trying to explain in that video. One thing about video is the important, we might not realize it, but when you just take a picture, it's completely different from when you allow that picture to run. Somebody that looks cool, when he just takes a picture, hey, I'm here. Okay, record the video, let the person express himself, and it's a different story. It can be more interesting, it might not be more interesting, but video is a different story because it's moving over time. It shows the person over time. And then when we say video, it's critically a combination of what you see plus what you hear. So it's not just, so if somebody has a good camera and is recording, if he doesn't capture the audio well, he's still not going to get a good video. That's what was the problem of phone video for a long time, to get clean audio. But these days now with these wireless mics, it's helped to solve the audio problem of recording with phones. So those two things are some of the important things. One is happening over time. We'll get into happening over time. And then the second is recording quality audio. So let's talk about the visual parts of the, video is visual plus audio. Let's talk a little bit more about the visual parts. You see, the visual parts, interestingly, could largely come from two sources. One is you could snap it, you could use camera to record it. The other is you could generate it. What do I mean by generate? You don't need to use camera before you can get visual. You can type it, you can just use CorelDRAW. You can generate the graphics. You can generate the animation of what you are trying to say. You might not even record it, and it still be a video because something is showing and something is talking. So it could be generated or it could be captured. Or potentially now combine the two of them. So the really skillful people will combine the two of them. That means they will record the thing, put graphics on it, put text on it. That's why, like, when TikTok and all those caption guys came, they could help you put something on top of what you have captured. So if you are talking, you are having an educational content, and you can show graphics of what you are saying. If you are saying this now moves from here to here and this, and you can make those, it makes it way easier to even understand more. So some people are just good at recording with camera, but some people, like personally, I got into media from engineering because I was doing 3D animation for engineering purposes. So I came into media to do 3D animations, cartoons and stuff. Look at cartoon now. If you watch a full-length cartoon, they didn't use any camera. It's just somebody sitting on laptop, model the character, animate the character, and then they get somebody to record the audio and they match them together. Like, one of my prayer for iMedia is to get to a point where we produce cartoon for the Muslim Ummah, because I just get bothered with sitting in various sessions where we say what we are consuming, what our children are consuming are not wholesome and not this, but the skill set to produce them, we were not developing it as quickly as they were evolving. Till today, I don't think we are so much into cartoons yet and 3D animations yet and everything. But alhamdulillah, we are catching up with camera work. More, as the camera becomes easier, then the Muslim community is catching up. But really, we need to get into beyond the camera work and everything. So I was saying the visual parts of the video, you could capture it with camera or you could generate it yourself in one way or the other, either 2D animation, graphics animation, or just text or something.